It is about taking a raw piece of material and turning it into a finished product. It sounds easy, but what you're basically doing is visualizing a blueprint, looking at a blueprint from different views of a part with dimensions and features on it, visualizing what that part looks like, and then utilizing all the machine tools in the machining lab to create that part. Our lab floor is state-of-the-art. We have CNC machining centers, CNC turning centers, milling machines, lathes, surface grinders, an array of inspection equipment. Pretty much all those tools, the tools that we have in our lab can pretty much make anything that you need that's out there. Medical field, military field, automotive, you name it. In fact, anything that you look at has its roots based in a manufacturing, industrial machining environment. It's a thinking person's trade. You have to be thinking. You always have to be wondering, what am I doing and how do I accomplish what I need to get done? But it's very gratifying. Once you make that finished part, when you say, wow, I made this, that means a lot.